Hi, welcome back to Kianda the Smart Home. I have built a security sensor that works by IR signal with ESPHome dev board in Home Assistant at a low price. The device can be used as motion sensor in alarm system or presence sensor. Also, by knowing how it works, you may have other usages for it. Before showing you how the sensor works, subscribe and press the bell button to receive every new video. The sensor has an IR transmitter and an IR receiver. The IR transmitter always sends a certain signal, and the receiver is waiting for that certain signal. These two IR modules must be in front of each other in a way that receiver sees the sender. As long as the receiver gets the sent signal, the sensor is clear. But as soon as reception is disturbed by anything between these two modules, the sensor becomes detected, or let's say will be activated, and a GPIO becomes high that can be used in automations. The sensor shows clear in Home Assistant. By placing my hand between these two IR modules, sensor becomes detected. GPIO, which this LED is connected to it, becomes high. By placing my hand between the two IR modules, this LED turns on. By removing it, it becomes off. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in building this sensor, join my exclusive club and watch its tutorial in details. I'll see you in the next video.